Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change language on Prime Video. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser this time in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are done, in here, you're going to search on the search bar, how to change language on Prime Video. In here, there are only 3 steps. First, you go to the account and settings page in your Prime Video application or the website. And then you are to tap on the language tab. Once done, go to step 3 and select your desired language. This could be anything, but make sure you understand the language so you can hover around the user interface over at Prime Video. If you're having a hard time following along, don't worry, you can always go back to around 30 seconds of the tutorial so that I will be able to voice over these steps while you are doing your process in the settings as well. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.